Hey everybody, today I am in this beautiful 2016 Ford Mustang. Now this is a two-door, but it's four-seater, and it is a brilliant orange. Like once I show you on the outside, you're gonna be blown away. It's such a beautiful color. I love it. So I'm going to take you on a tour of the inside of the vehicle and the outside of the vehicle and point out any features or flaws that I may see. So we'll start off with the steering wheel. We have, of course, the logo in the middle, and it has silver trim with black leather wrapped steering. It looks incredible. We have controls on both sides of the steering wheel. We come in here, we have our speedometers and a digital monitor in the middle. It's great. The digital monitor will tell you how much average miles per gallon you are getting, and you can track to see how much gas you have left, the time, etc. And you, of course, can see what driving mode you are in. As you can see, we are in park. We have our lighting feature here, and we have our door handle, which I love the look of them, especially in the Mustang with the silver trim. It looks incredible. We come over here to the middle. We have a digital display. Right now it's on navigation, and you can flip through the music and all of that you need to do. Volume is on this side, tune is on that side. We have heated and ventilated seats, which is wonderful. You have your controls for air conditioning and heating. Then this is how you turn on the car, is right here. So we don't have the shifter over here, and we don't have it over here like Porsches do. It is right here. So I have the key with me, and it does not need to be inserted anywhere. So you could just leave it in the cup holder, or you can even leave it right under here. But that's how you turn on the vehicle. Our shifters are here in the middle, and you just push it down, of course, foot on the brake, and you shift it to whatever you want. If you notice, we have a sport mode as well offered in this vehicle. It gets about 435 horsepower in this car, so it's pretty fast and it's awesome. Again, you can see we have some really pretty trim with the black and the silver. It just really adds, and it looks really great together. We have our little sentee tree here as well, but everything looks to be in pretty good condition. The seats are a little bit worn, and I'll give you a better look when I step out here, but there's some, it still needs to be detailed, so the car is not clean yet, but it will be soon. So if you come down to test drive the vehicle, it will be detailed by then. So a lot of this could just be dirt and smudges that the detailers will get. But overall, the condition looks great. So let's go hop on the outside. So you can see this orange is incredible. Holy crap. It's just such an eye popper, and everyone can look at you as you're driving down the road. This is a soft top convertible, which is great for the summer, especially when you have heated and ventilated seats. So if you're ever getting too hot, too cold, no worries. The car will keep you comfortable as the top is down. I love the black rims here with the logo in the middle. It really adds to it. I don't think any other color would look good on this style and color combination. It just looks fantastic. The lights up front, some fender flares you can see, logo in the middle. Nothing scratched, broken, dented, or anything in the grille, which is fantastic. Same with the rims. The rims look to be in really great condition. I just love how the paint just looks so good and it reflects so well. You have your classic Ford Mustang lights in the back. All are in great shape as well. Exhaust on the bottom. Maybe you can hear the car a little bit as it's sitting here. And the gas is on the left side or the driver's side of the vehicle. Let's take a better look in the inside while I'm not sitting in it, so you can see all the details. So this seat seems to be in really good shape. There's no tearing or anything. You can take a look at the back seat. Again, it needs to be detailed, so we have a few pieces of garbage that we need to clean up. But back seats look super comfortable. Easy to access. We'll spin around to the passenger side of the interior. Take another look again at the exterior color and how it just pops and looks so good. Love the logo right there on the door seal. Again, take a look at the seating. The convertible lining seems very, very intact. It looks great in shape, no tearing. Sometimes that can happen when it's not a hardtop convertible. The fabric pieces can be faded or discolored or ripped, but this looks to be in great shape. I just don't know if I can get enough of it. It looks fantastic. So I invite you down to our dealership, come test drive this car, come look it and sit in it and take pictures of it. Again, it will be detailed, it'll look pristine and brand new in really good condition, but overall the feel of the car is good, it drives really well, it's super fast, and it just, aesthetically everything looks really great, and there's no big flaws about it. There's no big tears or scratches or anything. So come down to our dealership, come test this out. If this isn't the perfect vehicle for you, don't worry, we have plenty of other vehicles for you to come check out and see, and come fall in love with one of the many vehicles we have.